Hi guys! Let's make banana fritter or maruya. Napakasimpleng recipe nito guys at perfect na perfect for merienda. So maginamit ko palang ingredients dito ay yung available lamang sa bahay. So first, peel muna natin yung bananas. Gumawa tayo ng mixture gamit ang flour pero cornstarch po yung ginamit ko rito kasi yun lang meron. Next, mag-add tayo ng sugar at mas maganda if white sugar po yung i-add nyo. Now you can add a little water and make sure na dahan-dahan lang yung pag-add nyo. And then stir or mix well hanggang ma-achieve yung ganitong consistency. Next thing is slice na natin yung binalata natin saging kanina. And it's up to you guys kung ano yung preferred yung size and shape ng pag-cut ng saging. After that, pwede natin siyang ilagay sa ginawa nating mixture kanina. Now, maglagay ng mantika sa pan na nakaset sa medium heat. And make sure na talaga nakainit yung mantika bago nyo ilagay yung mixture. And then make sure to flip bago masunog yung saging. And now, our banana fritters are ready with a very simple ingredients. Thank you!